Bob's Red Mill Unbleached Enriched Artisan bread flour has the right mix of grains, which make a particularly good tasting and well-behaving pizza crust. In a KitchenAid mixer bowl, add 5 cups of your flour. This saves one more dirty utensil. You will be able to use the same measuring cup later. Add a half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Then use a whisk to mix these ingredients well. Run some hot water in your measuring cup to warm it up. Now put 2/4 cups, a half cup altogether, of body temperature water into your measuring cup. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar into the warm water. Stir it well so that all of the sugar dissolves in the water. Then add 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Stir with a fork without touching the sides at first so that the yeast mixes well into the water. The better it is mixed, the less chance of creating annoying bubbles in the crust. Pour the yeast mixture into the mixing bowl over the flour mix. Put the bowl into mixer and use the dough hook to knead the dough for about 3 minutes at low speed. While it is kneading, spray some olive oil in a 2.5 quart or a 2.5 liter bowl that has a cover. Take all of the dough and hand knead it into a ball, folding it behind, stretching out the front about 10 times. It should feel a bit sticky. Then put it in the greased bowl and put on a cover. Put the bowl into your oven, leaving the oven light on as slight heat. I use a 1/4 inch thick iron plate as a pizza stone. You could get one cut to your oven size at your local metal workshop. Otherwise, buy a pizza stone. After at least 2 hours, your dough should have risen. Preheat your convection oven to the highest temperature, or 550 Fahrenheit, for a half hour. so that the pizza stone reaches that temperature. While the oven is preheating, get out your pizza paddle and spread about a tablespoon of cornmeal evenly on it so the dough won't stick to it. Then dust some flour on your table and also on top of the risen dough. Dump the dough onto the table and make sure both sides of the dough are well dusted with flour. Use a rolling pin to spread it out evenly to the size of your pizza paddle. Then carefully transfer the dough onto your pizza paddle. Fold over the edge all around to make the crust thicker there to better keep the cheese and sauce from spilling over. Press down the seam wherever it looks like the dough might come apart to join the dough to itself. Put on about a tablespoon of olive oil and spread it evenly over the dough. This keeps the wetter toppings from making the crust soggy. I like to cut up some large white mushrooms in about 1/8 inch slices and a bell pepper for a topping. If you like garlic, thin slice up a clove or two. I like to cut the bell pepper into a few rings and the rest into small cubes. Gently sprinkle a little red cayenne pepper over the crust, which gives it the right amount of spice. I use 4 ounces, a half can of Hunt's tomato sauce with basil, garlic, and oregano. It is perfect and beats making your own sauce. They don't have it at every grocery, so you might have to order it online. The UPC code is 02700391037. Use the back of your spoon to spread it out evenly. Save the rest in your refrigerator for your next pizza. Next, put on your garlic. Then spread 4 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle about 1 ounce of shredded parmesan cheese over it all. Then place some pepperoni slices, mushrooms, and bell peppers, or whatever ingredients you prefer. Your pizza stone should be preheated well by now, so transfer your pizza into the oven and start your stopwatch. After 4.5 to 5 minutes, the pizza should be done. Take it out and put it on an appropriate tray or pan. Slice it up and enjoy.